Hi friends, my name is Akil Ahmed. In this particular video tutorial, copy column transformation, we will see how to use the copy column transformation in SSIS. The agenda of today's video tutorial will be what is the copy column transformation and how to use the copy column transformation in SSIS. Copy column transformation basically is a component that can be used to make a copy of a column. For example, if you are reading data from source, then we can make an exact copy of any of the column using the copy column transformation. In this video tutorial, I will be loading data from a CSV file to a SQL Server table, and then we'll make the copy of the first name and last name columns. So after loading data, we will end up having two more extra columns in the SQL Server table as compared to the source CSV file. So let's see how we can do that. I use this CSV file which contains some data, ID, first name, last name, gender and company name. So like with the help of copy column transformation, we will make the exact copies of the first name and last name columns, and then we will dump this data into a SQL Server table. So I have this testing database which currently doesn't have any tables in it, so we will create the table as we will move with the SSIS package. So this is my business intelligence development studio. So let's drag and drop the data flow task. So this data flow task will be used to load the data from the CSV file. So let's use the flat file source to read the data from the CSV file. Click new to create a new connection. Browse the file that we want to load. This is the file. Go to the preview and then click OK. Okay. So now we have successfully read the data from the flat file source. Open the SSIS toolbox and then drag and drop the copy column transformation into the data flow task, and then connect the flat file source with the copy column transformation and double click copy column transformation, and then check the column that you want to make a copy of. So I will check the first name and last name. So the input column, for example, for first name will be the first name and the output alias will be copy of first name, and similarly for last name the output alias will be copy of last name. So now we are making a copy of the first name and now we are making a copy of the last name. So for first name there will be two columns and for last name there will be two columns as well. Click OK, and now let's drag and drop the OLEDB destination into the data flow task, and then connect the copy column with the OLEDB destination and double click OLEDB destination. Make a new connection to the ML.testing database, and then from the data access mode change it from table or view to table or view fast load, because it enables the bulk insert thing, and then click new to create a new table. So maybe we can name our table as test data. You can see it has taken the schema of the table from the source. So because initially in the CSV file we had these columns, but it has also taken two columns from the copy column transformation as well, copy of first name and copy of last name. So click OK. So now this table should be created at the SQL Server end. So you can refresh the tables, and now you can see that the table is there, but it should not have any data in it because we have not loaded any data to this particular table yet. So the table is empty, and now go to the mappings, and now you can see that the columns from source have been mapped with the columns with the destination. So in case any column is not mapped correctly, then you can map the columns manually as well. Click OK. So now our SSIS package is complete, and if you will execute the SSIS package, so you should see that the data from source should be loaded to the destination. And in the source we were not having the copy of first name and copy of last name, but we use the copy column transformation to make the copies of the first name and last names. So if you re-execute this query, so you will see now we have data in this particular table, and now we have two new columns, copy of first name and copy of last name. So copy of first name should be identical to the first name column, and the copy of last name should be identical to the last name column. So this is how we use the copy column transformation in SSIS. Thanks guys for watching the video, and if you like the video then please click the like button and do subscribe to our channel to see more videos on SSIS and other related technologies. Thank you so much.